Hey everyone, welcome back to Top Luxury Motorhomes, your spot for the wildest rides and the most jaw-dropping ideas in luxury travel. Now, imagine this. You're cruising down the highway, not in a jet, not in a mega yacht, but inside a Rolls Royce Motorhome. Yeah, let that sink in for a second. The same brand that builds some of the most exclusive cars on the planet, reimagined as a rolling five-star palace. Sounds crazy, right? Well, today we're going to take you on a full tour of what this fantasy could look like. The exterior, the stunning interior, the futuristic tech, and yes, the kind of price tag that would make even millionaires think twice. Buckle up. This is going to be one of the most exciting rides we've ever covered. Now let's talk about the first thing that hits you. The sheer presence of this thing. Picture this, a massive 40-foot Class A motorhome rolling down the highway, and right at the front, that unmistakable Rolls Royce Pantheon grille, and of course, sitting proudly on top, the legendary Spirit of Ecstasy. But here's the twist. This time it's glowing, carved in crystal glass, like jewelry leading the way. The body itself? Sleek, elegant, and bold, a two-tone masterpiece, deep midnight sapphire paired with pure Arctic white. Along the sides, you've got these retractable chrome accents that flow just like the fine pinstripes of a Rolls-Royce Phantom. And check out the wheels. Massive 24-inch alloys, polished to perfection, looking more like custom jewelry than car parts. The whole thing sits on an automatic leveling system, so wherever you park, whether it's a beach cliff or a private estate driveway, this Rolls-Royce stays perfectly balanced, just like a luxury yacht anchored at sea. Step inside. And honestly, this is where the fantasy really comes alive. The moment those automatic doors slide open, you're welcomed into a rolling penthouse. The lounge feels more like a five-star hotel lobby than an RV. Plush leather sofas with diamond stitching stretch along the sides, facing a panoramic glass wall that floods the space with light. Above you, the signature Rolls-Royce starlight ceiling, tiny fiber optic lights twinkling like a night sky. Imagine cruising across the desert with your own private constellation glowing overhead. Move a little further in, and you've got a fully equipped kitchen. But not just any kitchen. We're talking marble countertops, chrome-finished cabinets, a built-in wine cooler, and yes, even a smart induction cooktop that responds to your voice. It's like having your own personal chef's suite on wheels. And when the day's adventure is done, step into the bedroom, a private sanctuary with a king-size bed dressed in silk bedding. The headboard, handcrafted with real wood veneers and subtle gold accents, giving off that unmistakable Rolls-Royce vibe. One side of the room opens up with floor-to-ceiling glass, so you can literally fall asleep while watching the sunset over the ocean or the city lights of Manhattan. It's not just luxury travel, it's luxury living wherever you park. Of course, a Rolls-Royce isn't just about how it looks, it's about how it moves. And this motorhome? It's imagined with the same kind of engineering magic you'd expect from their flagship cars. Under the hood, picture a powerful hybrid drivetrain, a twin-turbo V8 paired with electric motors that give you instant torque. That means even though this thing is nearly 40 feet long, it glides onto the highway with effortless grace. Zero struggle, zero drama, just smooth, whisper-quiet acceleration. And because this is Rolls-Royce, silence isn't optional. It's a signature. The cabin would be acoustically insulated so well that you could be rolling at 70 miles an hour and still hear a pin drop. Or maybe just your favorite jazz playlist floating through a custom surround sound system. Then there's the tech that makes driving something this huge actually stress-free. Imagine a full augmented reality heads-up display. 360-degree cameras stitched together into a crystal-clear view, and an AI-powered co-pilot that adjusts speed, braking, and even lane changes for you. It's not just transportation, it's like piloting a private jet, but on wheels. Now, here's the big question everyone's been waiting for. What would a machine like this actually cost? Well, let's do a little math. A standard Rolls-Royce Phantom already starts north of $500,000. A high-end Class A luxury motorhome? Those can easily stretch into the million-dollar range. So if Rolls-Royce ever decided to build this fantasy motorhome, you'd probably be looking at something in the ballpark of $2 to $3 million. Maybe even more, depending on the custom options. But then again, that's the whole point of Rolls-Royce, isn't it? It's not about affordability. It's about exclusivity. It's about saying, I'm traveling the world, but I'm doing it in the ultimate symbol of luxury. So, what do you think? If Rolls-Royce built a motorhome tomorrow, would you take one across the country? Or maybe down the coast of California? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, because I'd love to hear how you'd use a rolling palace like this. And if you enjoyed this fantasy ride, make sure to hit that subscribe button, because here at Top Luxury Motorhomes, we're always bringing you the wildest, most over-the-top concepts from the world of luxury travel. Until next time, keep dreaming big and keep rolling in style.